In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect Google Drive to your ClickUp workspace from the billing area, so your files are easy to attach and manage across tasks and projects. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct ClickUp workspace and that you have the permission to access billing. Owners and admins typically have this access. It also helps to use a desktop browser and temporarily allow pop-ups, since some authorization windows may open in a new tab. Let's begin by heading to your workspace's billing settings. You can reach this from your workspace or account settings. Look for the billing section in the settings menu. This is where subscription, payment, and certain account-level integrations live, so it's the right place for what we're doing today. Once you're in billing, find and open the area labeled Information Details. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a tab or a panel within the billing page. Think of Information Details as the spot that summarizes key account information and provides quick access to connected services. Inside Information Details, look for Google Drive. This is the integration that allows ClickUp to pull in your Drive files, so you can attach documents, spreadsheets, and slides directly to tasks, comments, and docs, without hunting them down in another tab. Selecting Google Drive here prepares the connection flow. When you see the Google Drive option, choose Connect. This action initiates the secure link between ClickUp and your Google account. If your browser prompts you to review permissions, that's expected. Make sure you select the Google account that holds the files your team uses and review the requested access so it aligns with your organization's policies. If your company manages accounts centrally, you may need to be on a managed Google profile or confirm that third-party app connections are allowed. After you confirm, give the system a moment to complete the handshake. You should see an updated status indicating the integration is active. If nothing changes, refresh the page to update the view. Still stuck? Check for blocked pop-ups, switch to a private browsing window, or try another supported browser. You can also verify you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. That's it. You've connected Google Drive through ClickUp's billing settings. From here, your team can attach Drive files where they work, keeping conversations, tasks, and documents in one place. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you set it up.